side. But again, you know, the fan will tell you that.
Now, Clive Tilsley and Rob Green.
Season. Maybe this year. Back on the bench. Both players have so much, and Arsenal tonight want their own slice of Champions League. The first leg at home, but they've got to forget about all of that tonight. Really good distance. Oh, it's a great
pressure. Crosses. Oh, he meets it well.
For Nuno Mendes, and Saka immediately wants to have a go at the lost the ball, and Timber's got it for Arsenal. Chipped into all. I want to.
He gets up well. Oh, if it's on to...
In he goes again. Gets away from Hakimi. Good play by Martinelli. Hakimi
inside Saka, and he's forcing Nuno Mendes.
Straight away wants to go at Lewis Skelly. Martinelli back well. Martinelli looking to get the other side of Hakimi here. In the world, so many key battles all over the pitch against Liverpool and Villa in the previous rounds. That's all in exceptional. And that's straightforward for David.
Forcing Nuno Mendes, he's forcing Kvaratskhelia to come all the way back on Saka.
Get the delivery right here. Hoist it towards the back post, the back of the net. That's an even better stop.
Such a big man as well. He's got a few of the Arsenal boys to get in his way, get in his road, not make it an easier.
And it comes from Bukayo Saka. It was to Ruby down this side. Hoisted in dangerously once more. Again, there's good distance on it. And again, it's going to fall here for Martin. Oh,
how quickly he sees it, you know. I think that is a...
Lifted in towards Marino in the middle. Tarte moving away from Desiree Doué, but Saka's made the run, and he's got the other side of Kvaratskhelia. Odegaard. Just caught feature Kvaratskhelia. Early chance. Oh, he's hit the post. He's belly on the pitch.
Well, I mean, there's a lot of
balls, but it's only cleared to Martinelli. Hit well, straight at Pashot. Now Martinelli. Hakimi's challenge. Come there with him. It's Doué for Paris Saint-Germain against Saliba. Finals tomorrow. Winners tonight play Inter Milan.
Again, he doesn't come up himself. Just no one.
There's the Georgian out wide and looking for that run. Odegaard not quite. Nuno Mendes was there. Martin Odegaard with Skelly. Needed to be a better cross than that.
Good backup here. That link up there. Brilliant.
Something there that Bukayo Saka just took away in his memory back. And excellent start by Arsenal. No, Marino. Whipped in, but that's two against Liverpool here in the Champions League.
Left foot there from Declan. He should...
Hoisted in by Martin Odegaard. Headed down in there towards Yuri. Doué takes the PSG corner. Out the ball.
Fantastic.
Headed away by Partey, falls for Fabian Ruiz. Good hit! Oh, what a goal!
Body movement means he can't go across. Back body movement means he can't go across. Back
competition for more than 4 years. And
the way he lets it, as you say, Ali, is top.
The chest. The chest. The...
Now it's Bradley Barcola. It's a good chance.
Here's Declan Rice. That is a fantastic chance. Barcola does really well to come back on it.
It's in the PSG box. And then on it goes from...
I mean, what a 35 minutes here. You think about it. I've got to say him on out.
And they've got it here with Declan Rice, promising it. Arsenal have to score the next goal in the tie. In the PSG box. And then on it goes from... Arsenal delivers the cross. It's just a fraction deep though for Saka. Shot comes in from Timber. He wants to try and escape down there, but he's run out of room. I mean, Marino's found a bit of space. Now he's found Odegaard. Scampering around the move now for Arsenal. Cross comes comfortable with it. Hakimi. Timber. Away by patch number 9, either really, apart from Gonzalo Ramos, and he doesn't play. Kavicha Kvaratskhelia, Williamson, it's Doué. Little back heel by Doué.
But as you said earlier on there, guys, that...
Saka cuts it square. By Timber. Odegaard looking to get a throw-in. Comes off the head of Vitinha. Saka to go at Nuno Mendes. Low cross, Marino didn't get a touch.
Going with his right, but there's no way he can reach it with his right.
Little drop on the shoulder from Doué, hits the shot. Here's Saka. Goes outside and plays another.
He's either got to go back post, other side of Hakimi, or get in front.
Kamara and Scaler across, that's a foul. Got the likes of Leandro Trossard, Ethan Nwaneri, Raheem Sterling on the Reno. Breaks here for Martinelli. Oh, that's straight. Vitinha. Timber's got Keeling with time to cross. It's a good ball as well, but Saliba finding Saka. Well, Raya looking for Saka down here. Towards Kivior. 30 Champions League away games, which they trailed at half.
You don't know the desire to get in there, to press, to get round, to get.
Such a powerful runner with the ball, Nuno Mendes. It's with Doué. Excellent feet by Vitinha, wonderful balance as well. Look at that for a bit of trick. Saka again. Donnarumma didn't get there this time. And Real Betis for the lead against Fiorentina as well. Hurled in again towards Marino. Cleared as far as Timber, is it? No, Doué. Hakimi. Deflection!
You look at Hakimi.
That's what they're checking. It's Lewis Skelly. Very slowly to the ball, and he's
To make it. To make it.
Justice has been done, Martin.
Absolutely.
On it goes down to Saka. Arsenal need to take a chance. Saka. Odegaard delivers. Don's Declan Rice. Took a deflection on the way through. PSG players in there. That's whipped in and guard Saliba. Saka with the shot on.
Opens up for his left-hand side, beautiful curve. What?
Got to defend the corner first. Headed away by Bukai. Hakimi. Doué. Turned into Williams. Partey didn't do it. Hakimi shot that!
Spacey had to put that cross in.
Don't forget
Better. Hesitates for a split second.
Trap Hakimi. 3-0 on aggregate when you factor in the Dembele. Trossard for Arsenal, pulls him. Saka coming onto it. Saka will score. 1 on aggregate, and they're still 12-1 on aggregate, and they're still 12.
Mind you, do we trust them after the decisions they've made tonight? Mind you, do we trust them after the decisions they've made tonight?
Complaining, but Saka didn't wait. He puts the Trossard. On it goes down to Calafiori. Here come Arsenal. Crossed him. Saka.
Absolute.
I think it's just the
Galia slides it through. Fabian Ruiz. There's the chance. Good save.
Emirates just pulled back edge of the box. Nobody really coming out to him.
Marino's cross. Saka coming onto him, but he's the only one in there.